What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Tell me, how was your weekend? It's been a beautiful weekend for me, so let us see how tonight goes. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? This is a trading assembly. You know how we do it every night. I am trading binary options, and the broker I'm using is Pocket Options. There's a link in the description for my broker. So let us see how tonight goes, guys. Oh my God, Chef Pamesh, you're always on time. Good to have you. Guys, we are already having some bearish movements here. So let us see. You can see the market move down, pulled back, and it continued with its down movement. So let us see how it goes. All right, we get another short pullback. Let us see how it goes. Cameroon, good to see you. Raphael, good to see you. Sunrise, good to see you. Jerome, Muhammad. Oh my God, guys, it's good to have you. Tell me, how did you spend your Sunday? Did you look at your charts? Actually, I feel like Sunday is the best day for any trader to look at their charts, because it's going to give you a bigger picture of the market. You have time on your hands to do some good market analysis, so that when you open your chart on Monday, you're ready to go, and you're ready have a directional bias of the market. We are really in some good bearish move, guys. Let me hope you're seeing it. Let us see if we can get some trades already. And you know how we do it. I am a trend follower, so let me execute my sales and I see how they go. Guys, I already tell you, following the trend is the easiest way you can execute trades. All right, we already get a plus here, so let's keep moving. My day has been really good, no lie. I didn't have anything stressing me or anyone stressing me. And if I don't have anything stressing me, I already just concluded it's a beautiful day. So guys, tell me, how did you spend your Sundays? Okay, we are having some deep pullback here from buyers. So let us see if it's really going to be. Let us just cruise. Let us just cruise with these buys, guys. Izu, I see you. Cecilia, I see you. Cecilia, Doctor. My guys, it's always nice to have you. Continue marking your assembly. Where are you watching me from? I'm like, what's up? Hello. Christian, good to have you. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your Sundays? How did you spend your day today? Tell me, guys. And if you're ready for tonight, someone comment ready. You know how we do it every night. We are always catching up good vibes as traders, but also learning, because why not? I'm always here sharing trading tips. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know about trading. Okay, I see someone from Germany. Good to have you. Okay, it's like the market has switched back. It has switched bullish. So let us continue. Let us buy. Let us buy the market, the fact that it has switched bullish, and see how it goes, guys, for us. All right, we are having some movement already. Structure is clearly bullish. You can see the market is continuously breaking the previous highs. That's a sign. Natures, it's always good to have you. It's always nice to have you here. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? Did you look at your charts? All right, I see someone in Iceland. Good to have you. Bahrain, oh my. What? It's a shame. Oh my god. What? Guys, we take some crazy L's here. But the market is still in our directions. Our entries were invalidated, but at least we closed one in a plus. Destiny, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. You know how to go and get it back, don't you? Guys, I am trading binary options, and there's a link in the description for the broker I'm using. And my strategy, it is pure price action, where I mainly look at first understand the directional bias of the market. That is, am I dealing with a downtrend and uptrend? The other thing I look at is market structure. Market structure is really key for any pure price action trader. It is always right and best if you have some good knowledge in with market structure. Yeah, it is going to help you execute your entries, and I also refine my entries with candlestick patterns. This is our trading assembly. Free to ask any trading question. And guys, share your experience. How did you spend your day today? We close some plus here. Let us see if we can get any other entry. Talk about. It's a fact. Okay, we had some pullback here, but it wasn't so deep. So let us see how our trade goes. This is a continuation entry. Oh my, it has moved well, guys. Purple Trader, good to have you. How are you doing, my friend? So let us, guys, whenever you are in an uptrend, it is easier for you. Most of your trades, I believe, they are really going to work out if you're really taking buy trades, especially if you're, oh my god. Okay, we get taken out by a pullback. Yeah, but it is always nice if you really trade with that trend, because most of your trades are most likely to close in a plus. They say I'm rich, but I'm richer. I can't danger. Thank you, Papa Trader, for the blessing. Blessing to my friend. Okay, guys, you can see we are really bagging in some profits here by just following that trend. So that's, it is always nice to understand the directional bias of the market to help you really refine your entries. Looking at me sideways. Yeah, most of you, you're always asking me what is always on my mind whenever I'm executing trades. The first thing that always comes to my mind whenever I'm looking at the charts is understanding where the market could be heading, and that is understanding the trend or the market movement. So if I'm in an uptrend, like now, I'm only going to be understanding structure. Is the market breaking the previous highs and just pulls back, continues, breaks the previous high, pulls back, continues? That's what I always have on my mind. Structure and directional bias. So whenever I'm in an uptrend, I can also look out for candlestick patterns. Whenever you are in an uptrend and the market pulls back, it has given you an opportunity to enter again and continue with it. Damn. Zillion, good to have you. I wanna have a feast by the beach, looking at the waves, looking at the waves. I don't wanna sleep, I just wanna keep making money. Rich and famous, I just want the money, I don't want the fame shit. Cause some niggas off on the make some changes. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple, pure price action. So someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in, because that's what we are doing every night here. We are always locked in and getting the bag aggressively. So let's move. I'm on the stage right now. Someone tell me, how did you spend your day today? All right. How did you spend your day today, guys? You wanna go out on dates? You want somebody to come with flowers? Someone to serve for hours? Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you you mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day. You don't got a reason. Someone to bring you peace. Someone to help you sleep. Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it. All right, someone is saying hammer candle. You're right. That was a pin by there. Really get taken out and it goes in our direction. That is the worst. That is the worst that can happen to any trader when you get taken out. When you get taken out, somebody who can make it better, who can open up your way. You spend yours peacefully doing what? Guys, tell me actually, I find Sundays are the best days. If you really are not trading, they are the best days you can really just get onto your PC, just analyze the market, back test, no pressure, because you're not trading. You back test, you take on the week. As a trader, taking day offs is not really necessary unless you're really so profitable. That's when you start taking day offs. But Sundays are best, especially if you're a beginner or somewhere. They are so good for you to look at your charts, analyze, I mean, see how the week has been going based on the market. You look at the candles, how they have been moving the entire week. Yeah, you look for your strategy, do everything it needs. Basically, actually, that's what I always do. When I have some time on my hands, I'm going to get my laptop and just watch the market. I just watch the market. No rush, no pressure, just looking at candlestick patterns, just looking at zones. That's how I spend my Sundays or weekends, or like if I have some good time on my hands. Markets are open on weekends because I am trading OTC market. It is open 24/7, guys. It's open 24/7. We are not limited by time here. If it's not it, baby, hope it's progress, baby. Let it all shit, baby. Stop that shaking. And we're talking, baby. We're talking, baby. Shawty so fine, pussy so fresh. Diced pineapples got my baby taste the best. I nearly lost my mind. Guess it was a test. Swept off her feet and when they bought her at Selects. Paid it off cash, so I never wrote a check. Really getting this. I love it when I execute trades and they move immediately in my direction. Crib on the water, got LeBron up the block. Money ain't a thing, baby. Welcome to the mall. Dice pineapples talking diamonds by the job. This so bad, got me wishing I could sing a uniform Isabel Marant when you want. Guys, you know how we do it. Whenever you are in a downtrend, the easiest way you can execute trades is by following that trend. Feels better when you let down my girls. When you stack at the road, when you get older, then it's like all that the things get right. AR, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. I see ya. Tell me, how did you spend your Sunday? What are you looking out for? Oh my. Okay. That version. We're almost caught up with this continuation, but I'm glad our trades fast closed. All right. Been working on some projects. That's nice. That's nice. She's so fine. She never wrote a song, but I know that she's a star. I love that line, guys. I love that line. All right, someone asked me, what do you always look out for? Guys, whenever I open my PC like this and I am looking at the charts, I'm just looking out for my strategy and only my confluences. Yes, I know very many terms and trading strategies that I learned over the course of my learning in trading. But these days, I only focus on price action, and I only focus whenever I'm looking at the charts. I only focus on understanding market structure, understanding market direction, and candlestick patterns. Like I always tell you guys, you do not have to know the exact market direction. With trading, we just anticipate and you're ready to take on the risk. But that's what I always look out for. So guys, you tell me, what do you be looking out for whenever you're trading? Because of course you have to look out for something. That's how actually things start making sense. If you're not looking out for something, then you could be playing. But if you're not playing, you have to have a reason whatever why you're looking at that chart. So tell me, guys, what do you be always looking out for whenever you're trading? And like I always tell you, with my strategy, I go in order. I do not just start looking out for candlestick patterns. The first thing I look out for whenever I'm trading and I'm on my charts is understanding market direction, because once you know that you are in an uptrend, it's going to be easier for you to trade, because the first thing you do, for example, now we have been in a downtrend for some good minutes, and the first thing I understand if I'm in a downtrend is sellers are in the market. So you're either going down with them, because going against the trend, sometimes it is, of course you'll get the trades, but most of the cases they be high risk entries. Oh my. Okay, let us get in again and see how it goes. All right. So whatever, that is the first thing I always look out for, guys. The second thing is understanding market structure. Is the market moving in series of higher highs? Is it breaking structure to the upside or to the downside? Then that's when I start concluding on how I'm going to be executing my entries. Somebody better than you. So let me help you guys. That's how you organize your entries, or you organize how you analyze the market. Actually, you're supposed to have an organized way you analyze the market. If in your mind it is not organized, it's going to be confusing in the charts. I can buy it too. Hey. Oh, hey. All right. Let's keep moving to the moon. Your vision. Yeah. I bet you start loving me. Soon I still loving someone else, somebody better than you. Guys, you can see here we are only executing buy trades because the market is clearly bullish. Yeah, to the moon, that's where we're heading. Somebody. Shanna, good to have you. Mr. VJ Talk, good to see you all, guys. Good to have you all. I bet you me. Somebody better than you. So let us continue buying. There is nothing like an overbought trend or an oversold trend. As long as it's still giving you moves that it's going up or down, you just follow it. So we are all eating here hard. Okay, we get taken out by a pullback candle. And it goes back in our direction. So let us see. This is some aggressive move here. Look at that market gap. That is some aggressive move, guys. I am trading binary options, and there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. The chart I'm on, it's Brent oil. Yeah, my expiration time is 15 seconds, so let us keep moving. I prefer that because I get more opportunities to take on more entries if I'm using a shorter time expiration. She ain't going where she's supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be.
my niggas close to me. And all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Ooh, the hoes go for me. Like chicks in the pit like post to me. Ooh, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything look like a supposed to be. Pull up, pick it up, and it go up. Making girl fall in love when I show up.
It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She know me, you's just a home girl.
Came down like she knew.
Hey,
Get it up like a groove. And that's facts.
no brainer.
Come, nigga, turn something to the winner. She say me in the phone at best. But I had to
My candles are 5 second, guys.
text me.
You wanna know how I wanna know.
Young chick come close to me.
She ain't
Going
know.
on what she supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Ooh, all my niggas close to me. And all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Ooh, the hoes go for me. Like a chick.
So let us look for more moves, guys. Let us look for more moves.
That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, the market tried to pull back but failed to break the previous high. So this is the first signal, if you're really looking at the chart, that bears are in the market. That structure was so revealing. So let us see how our sell go. Okay, Murder, she wrote. No, no, no.
If y'all don't come close to me, you
You know,
baby, go for me. Show for me, but you gotta eat the booty like groceries. But you gotta eat better these songs for me. I might have to take the selling and so for me. Ooh,
this how it's supposed to be. If you're ringing, you're supposed to be free.
ooh.
Yoka, good to have you. My candles are 5 seconds, guys. She ain't got what she's supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh. Shady Jace, good to have you. Good to have you. Let us get the bag tonight. You know how we do it. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question.
She told up on your mad and all. Don't be mad about it. She's for everybody. Maria, see free there. I'll make them do it.
And make a buoy. Oh my, you guys. All right, guys, Amore is live every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So you can always find us here. This is a trading assembly. You can always catch up with us. You can come and reach with us. Why she talking crazy about me like I'm gonna Let us move. Tonight is the night where you type aggressive. Yeah, because that's what you're doing, guys. Whenever actually you really spot an opportunity in the market and you can capitalize on it, please don't hesitate, because it doesn't happen more often. So if you get a chance to capitalize on a move, really do that. But reminder, you have to risk according to your account size. But as a trader, you have to also be willing to take the risk. So basically, risk management is key. Risk management is key. I can hear you, yeah. With her real sick. She still like when I perform. Let's move, let's move. So you can see here, I'm just capitalizing on the moves because why not? No risk, no gain. Someone is saying we slowed down. No, but guys, whenever you're trading, if you really get some good opportunity, please capitalize on that. If you really get an opportunity, capitalize on that, because it's not always you find a moving market and or you'll be getting the moves. But at the back of your mind, you should also know that whenever you're risking according to your account size. Don't capitalize on moves when they are going to really damage your capital. Guys, let me first play this song again.
You used to call me on my.
Okay, yeah. Someone asked, where did you learn trading from?
Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me. I know when
Guys, when I was learning how to trade, I learned from very many. I cannot specify a particular particular thing I did, especially when I was still a beginner. I watched videos of YouTube. I was learning from friends. At some point, I got a mentor. And actually, guys, just of recently, I think on Wednesday, I was chatting with my mentor. It is always nice that I still have contact with him. You know, I always go back to my to my teacher to get more updates about trading. That is the beauty of having a trading community. You always learn something because people keep on gaining knowledge here and there. So it's always nice to have traders around you. It is the best way. It gives you a good feeling. So I learned from very many, but with trading, even when you have the best mentor, even when you have the best friends that are so profitable, to you to become profitable, it's upon you, because you could have a strategy. If you're not disciplined, guys, if you're not disciplined, that strategy will not work for you. Even when you have the best mentor, still it's not going to work for you if you're not disciplined enough, because when you're executing, you're not going to be with your mentor there. It's going to be you against the market. It's going to be you against that L you have taken. It's going to be you against those profits that you've made, because actually most people think that it's only losses that really take us out as traders, but even profits, sometimes you get too much excited, the next day you end up donating back everything to the market. So it's always about discipline and risk management.
These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a bag was for someone else. Doing things I taught you getting nasty for someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need nobody else. No. Why you never alone? Why you always touch a road? Used to always stay at home, be a good girl. You was in the zone.
Valerie, good. Oh, good. I love that name, Valerie. My strategy that I use, guys, it's pure price action. Pure price action. That's what I basically use. I'm just looking at the market trend or understanding the market direction, market structure, and candlestick patterns. Ever since I left the CDU, All right, we get a plus there, guys. Guys, it's always good to have you. It's always good to have you. It's always good. Guys, with binary options, I feel like it is easier for me to trade with pure price action strategy. Yeah, because pure price action, it is really easily applicable to all time frames and all market conditions. Because basically you're just studying the price. You get the market price. So if a market creates a new low or a new high, you base on that to either execute your entry. Yeah. We're really having some right here. For a savior, I've been looking for a savior. I've been looking for a real one. Joseph, my candlesticks are 5 seconds and my expiration times is 15 seconds. So let us watch and see our next move. That's so crazy. Guys, my mentor is not imaginary. What are you talking about? By the way, actually, the reason why I got a mentor as a trader, because when you are a beginner and you're really doing this trading thing on your own, let us first see. I'm seeing some movement against us. Oh my god, we get taken out here, guys. Guys, I first started out trading on my own, to be honest. It was just a friend sending me links of some YouTube videos to watch. But remember, whenever you watch things, people are talking about terms you don't get. People are talking about a lot of things you're not getting them. So after trying to study, I got a lot of, but everything was not making sense. That's when I got a mentor. And by the way, when I got a mentor, it's like he aligned and he put out some of the information I had collected, because at that point I think I was studying support and resistance. So he was like, you know what? You should just focus on this. That's why I'm always telling you guys, you could be knowing a lot of trading strategy, a lot of trading terminologies, a lot of things. But the best thing you can do for yourself, it is to pick a few things and just focus on those and practice those consistently on the charts. That's how you're going to see results. Otherwise, if today you're trading support and resistance, tomorrow you're trading trend lines, the next day you're just trading market structure, and maybe you're just trading with like 5 indicators on your charts, you get confused. You need to pick a few things and you follow that. So me, basically, that's what my mentor helped me with. I just to pick a few things and follow that. But actually, I also know very many traders who just learned by themselves. Mostly guys actually. Most of my male friends who are traders, they are soft toads. Whatever you give me, something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. Na 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 na. So let's move on. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. Damn. Imagine our trades are invalidated by just a single candle move and it goes in our direction. So let us see. Okay, we are getting some continuation moves here. You need to get down if you come over.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get away to know.
When I need stay, I need you.
When I see potential, I just gotta see.
You guys are so crazy. Thank you. Today I've got a lot of comments of people talking about my hair, so thank you.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah.
All right, let's move. Guys, you can see your structure shifted. Oh my. Okay, we get to break even. You can pick the time and the patience, spend some time away. Sometimes you take a trade and you feel like it is the best entry you have made until the next candle takes you out. Okay, you're welcome. I'm glad you're really taking the tips, my friend. Much love from here too.
Hey, light skin shorty that was talking the other night, she gave me writing down. And she said she got like 2, 3, 10 friends trying to come through. 2, 3, yes, nigga, this dude. Yo, he's sleeping, ain't gonna worry about this. Go around, wait, man. Okay. Let's go, bro.
Jethre. The name is so hard to pronounce, but I mean, I've seen you. I read your first comment. It's good to have you. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. You gotta show me. Eddie, I see you. Eddie is from Trinidad. It's good to have you. All right, healthy. The minimum for donation is 500, and there is a donation link in the description for anyone who wants to take part. All right, we get some pluses there, guys. We are about to get into what you love most. You gotta show me. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your Sunday? Oh, how are you spending your Sunday? Sports. Please stop spam commenting. I already saw your comment. Thank you, but don't spam comment, my friend. You know what it is. You remind me. Ivy, why don't you introduce me? No, actually, guys, the funny thing about this, yes, I got a mentor, but actually the strategy they told me is not what I'm trading right now. We start from there. Like I told you, you could have the best strategy, the best mentor, but when it comes to trading, especially if you're in real market experience, it is always you against the market. And that's where discipline kicks in. So let us first look in our profits, then we get into the donations. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. All right, someone comment you're ready for the donation. Someone comment ready.
Yo, Gigi! Turn it up! I'ma be on somebody like this. I ain't really nothing like the mother bitches. I'm be on Twitter on them
She need to transfer her up to get in position.
There's somebody who can do it like me. I know I'm different, you could say I'm unique. If you ain't nobody, I can you could see. Getting really criticism, you just hating on me. I feel like I'm the hottest bitch by my city.
All right, someone comment locked in because you have started moving. First attempt is already going in that direction. Beautiful. Can do this shit on me, no. I wanna hang out, I'll be a mouse zone.
Don't ever think I need you, I could do it on my own. I could go a whole day without being on my phone. I'm fitting with society, I'd rather be alone.
This guys, you're so crazy. Let us log in and look for another entry.
I'm a nice baby, you don't gotta give me shit, but some fucking loyalty. I'ma be on somebody like this. I ain't really not like the other bitches.
Let us get into another move.
There's somebody who can do it like me. No, I'm
So
different.
you can say I'm unique.
If you ain't nobody, I can you critique. Getting really criticism, you just hating on me. I feel like I'm the hottest bitch up in my city. I don't really see nobody fucking with.
Ain't nobody. Oh my god, this is already moving again. It starts. Damn. Really get taken out by a pullback. Oh my god. That was so crazy there. And yeah, this pullback is really indeed big. It was kind of seriously deep. Oh. All right, guys. I'm going to get time, and I also explain the strategy again because Hassan has asked. I explain again my strategy in details. Yeah, but let us first get into this and see how it goes. Healthy people, there's a link in the description for the donation, and you find everything about the donation on the donation page. And guys, it's a reminder, it is not financial investment, it is purely for trading and learning purposes. Just all right, this really moved fast for us, guys. Let us see if we can get another. Suddenly, we got love seriously. We got dead in jobs and we got bills to pay. Couple friends and our enemies. I'm thinking back to when I was young, until the day when I was falling in love. He used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun was. I'm gonna get in my strategy in a few, guys. Let us first execute this trade. Yeah, let us first execute this. All right, we're having some movement in our direction. Okay, we look for a second attempt. He used to meet me on the east side. She used to meet me on the east side. She used to meet me on the east side. Excuse me. She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun now set. Really having a structure change here. Yeah, basically that's what's on my mind based on how these candles have printed on the charts. I feel like we are switching bearish. So let us see if this move will be maintained by sellers. Feeling like I'm fresh out here. If there was drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Okay, we have waited and it's already moving in our direction. Unforgettable. Okay, someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Yeah, someone type congratulations. It has really moved well for us. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. You are unforgettable. All right, we are on to our next. We are on to our next. We are on to our next. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in, and let me hope you guys are really locked in so that whenever I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Unforgettable. The guy, good to have you. Guys, let us see if we can get some good entry here. Okay, we are moving already. There's some crazy rejection happening here, guys. Damn. Okay, it has finally worked out for us and sellers. It's like they're taking control again. Got a nigga also don't get comfortable. Look. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. This really moved fast for us, guys. Diamonds out. I'm a boss. You know where I be. I get paid to be. Are you waiting for price increase or decrease before trading? No, I'll be waiting for price movements. So it is all about watching the market and understanding the trend, looking at structure. That's what I always look at whenever I'm trading. I let him get what he wants. Where is your boyfriend today? I don't know. Are you asking about Trevor? Maybe he's out there spending quality time with his new girlfriend. I wanna choose and I'm quick. So don't get comfortable. Look. Oh my God, guys, just let us lock in. Just let us lock in, because every night we're here to get the bag. Animation, good to see you. Beep, good to see you. Asian Core, good to have you. Yeah, so let us see. And if you can relax. In case you forgot. You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms. This is virtual. I can get them both. I wanna choose. Ivy, what did you cook today? Rice, I guess. Nah. Nah, guys. Today is one of those days where you eat out. Why not? I make money. Today is it's a weekend. It is one of those nights. It's one of those days where you take yourself out and you sanitize any poverty mindset. Oh my God, let us see how this goes for us. Okay, first attempt has gone well. When I reach nigga, I want you. Guys, tell me how you feel whenever you come to the market and you look at the chart like this. When structure is so clear, it always gives you hope that you could really get some good move. So let us see if we can get any move. But I don't fuck with broke bitches. Hey, yeah. When I reach nigga, I want you. Someone type congratulations. You really got on some good pullback there. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Yeah, sometimes in the market the pullback is deep, and other times it is just a single candle. So that's why if you're really consistently in the market and you understand market structure, strong points. Whenever you really follow up those things, guys, trading really gets easier. It will not get easier if you're just looking at your charts once in a while. I'm not gonna lie. You have to be doing it every day. Nothing. With girls and loyal. These girls and loyal. Okay, let us move on to our next song. Money anytime. Let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these carrots like I'm a fucking vegetarian. I doubt BCF, keep a breath on wet. Rose Rolex, hoes on deck. She go, I got a check. Do it too good when she ride that dick. Man, I wouldn't trust that bitch. No. Come on, girl, why you from? Baby, tell me something. She gon' leave, and I think about a lot, she gon' cheat. Come on, girl, why you from? Baby, show me something. We move on to our next. Guys. My strategy is simple. It is pure price action. Yeah, so as explained is how it is applied on the charts. Do nothing for you. Patience is really key in the market, guys. There's no point of rushing out to take trades, even when if you spot an opportunity that was a potential, but it has already left you, guys. It's better to wait than to chase after it, because chances of you getting caught up on the negative side are high, and you lose your money. You'd rather wait for a trade. Yeah, you'd rather wait for a move, guys. The market is going nowhere, actually. Whenever you're having that mentality that the market is it's to chase the market, remember the market is going nowhere. I found the market here, you found the market here. We are most likely to leave it here, so If you have that mindset, you should know every day or any other minute you get another opportunity. You'd rather take the risk on a trade that aligns with your confluences than to really rush trades or to chase the market. All right, we're closing another plaza. Let us see. Oh my God. Damn. We really get taken out by some crazy buyers here, guys. Oh my God. On our final attempt. Oh my God. There was some crazy move there. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Next time better. Oh my God. Sorry about that, guys. Let us see how our next contestant goes for us. You said you came from love in the club.
Home plate World Series, our niggas sliding in a baby, I'm a boss. I'm talking George Steinbrenner, Panamera, Yogi Berra, my two-seater, Derek Jeter. Got more stripes than all these niggas. Babe, who ballin' in the Beamer. Collar on my polo, kisses on my necklace. All my diamonds watching.
Now my watch is getting jealous. Guys, I was waiting for that line. But someone comment locked in. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Yeah, we're always here every day, every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So make sure you do not miss the trading assembly. I am trading binary options. My strategy is pure price action. So whenever you see me execute an entry, it is basically backed up by my strategy. Yeah, I can see, guys, you're always locked in. That's how it is. So let us see how this goes. Okay, we get some movement in our direction. Wow. Really? I didn't know you like it. Enjoy the song. But as you're enjoying, don't forget to lock in because I mean, I don't want the trading assembly to leave you behind. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Seems like very many of you love it. Someone says this song goes high. No, actually 15 seconds is my expiration time. It takes me 3 candles to know if my trade is going to go in my direction or against me. Okay, guys, we are locked in. Someone comment congratulations. Someone comment congratulations. Like a star. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. No, actually, Azan, good to have you. You should understand with trading, it is risky as itself. So if you know that, then you should also know that trading, you should have a probabilistic mindset. And that means that, yes, losses are part of our game. The key is to have a strong risk management plan that you make sure your losses are, your wins are more than your losses. So as you can, if you've been watching, you can see that that's what I really capitalize on as a trader. I make sure my wins are more than the losses. So when you take an L, of course it's not really exciting to take an L, but you can really understand. And if you really have a strategy that you're following, if a trade goes against you, it doesn't affect you so much than someone who just chased the market, honestly. If you executed a trade by just chasing the market and it goes against you, you're going to feel extremely bad and start regretting why you just executed a trade because you were rushing, than when you really waited for the move and you executed with a certain level of certainty. Of course, no one is 100% sure of market direction, but at least with a strategy, you can anticipate something. Okay, yeah, let's move, guys, let's move. Take a ride on the other side. And with this tongue, I'll make you unlike them other guys. Know how to treat it when I eat it. Look in my eyes. Teach you a lesson, ain't just sex in our mind. I know the real well, but I can fly. Alright. I'm up this jacket, got me feeling like the 99. When she rub my face, I call her my little ride or die. Asking, love the way you looking, right there. Time I got that. So and I love the way you it's just me when you see that sunlight. You can bring your own stop spam commenting. Stop spam commenting, please. Yeah. The reason we are having delays, it's because YouTube has a time lag of like 20 seconds since we are in different capitals. That's why it's like that. But don't spam comment, I may get to remove you. Something I don't want to do. Okay, guys, let us see if we can get any move. How is it making you mad, Cameron? Okay, Another locked in plus. So let's see. The incut I'm using, it's Keltina channel, guys, and I'm using it with its default settings. And I'm using it with its default settings. Hassan, we are still locked in for the contestants, but I'm surely gonna explain my strategy. Oh my god. We get taken out, guys. We get taken out by this pullback again. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. You should know to Celine and show you to the side. Hassan, I mean, if you're really locked in, you can see that I've been trying actually to explain part of my strategy in these trades that I am taking. Because my strategy, it is pure price action. It involves understanding the market trend, understanding if I'm in an uptrend, a downtrend, understanding market structure. For market structure, if you're in a downtrend, the market is continuously breaking previous lows, and if you are in an uptrend, the market is continuously breaking previous highs. So that is the easiest way you can understand market structure. Wow, okay. Buyers were really playing around our entry, but it finally closes in a plus. All right, someone type congratulations. Yeah, it was really crazy. To be honest, guys, those are the trades. That's why sometimes if you're really executing trades, you shouldn't be so emotional, because once you see such candles coming into your line, coming to your entry point, you cannot breathe. It is always crazy. So let us move on to our next. She your pussy. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers. And I kept it undercover, cause I don't kiss and tell. All right, first attempt goes well with this crazy kind of movement here, guys. Room 505, good to have you. Natures. I see ya all, guys. I usually love sleeping all alone. This time around, bring a friend with you. But we ain't really gonna sleep at all. You ain't gonna catch me with them sneak bitches. In my city of a young girl. That pussy
pussy kill be so vicious. My God, why be in my pocket? You get me redder than the devil till I go. Now she asks me if I do this every day.
I say often.
That's the only time she wrote the way, not so often. Baby, just down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop.
Okay.
Often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop. Do it how I want it. Often. Infatuated by the stage status. She wanna ride inside the G-Class gray matic. I come around, she leave that nigga like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a whole hour. If I had her, you can have her, that it don't matter. I'm never sour, I'm just smoking something much louder. If I do this every day,
I say often.
so many times she wrote the way, not so
Often.
bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy
You guys are interested. How long have you been trading? First, tell me, Libs, how long have you been trading yourself? As we are looking for our final attempt, guys.
But I see your eyes. You wanna go again? Can I go again? Can I go again? Ask me if I do this every day.
I say often.
So many times she wrote the way, not so
Often. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Northwind. Okay, Northwind. There's a link in the description. Check it out, Northwind, for the platform I'm using. Stop spam commenting. Oh, oh, Trevor, good to have you. Good to have you. Where have you been? Peter, good to see ya. You're detained, says Cameroon. You're detained. You're welcome, my dear. Oh my. Is this a sniper entry against us? Just need some loyalty, Damn, buyers are crazy here, guys. They really came in big and taken us out, so let us refund and try again.
You making it hard for me. But you a little caramel like I like my girls. You really need to rock my world.
You've been on build. Okay. Let me hope it has worked. It has moved well for you today. Good to have you, Dicta Clovis. Oh my, sometimes your names are hard to read, but Clovis, good to see you. Good to see you.
Don't listen to your friends, they tell you lies. I'm looking for a shoulder that's gonna rise.
Someone who can laugh for me.
Boy, just match my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me, boy. Just need some loyalty. Someone who gon' ride for me. Boy, just match my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me. Give up on me, so you fuck with me. If you stay down, then you know.
All right, guys, it has really worked for us. It has moved well for us. Someone type, congratulations. What is your name? It's Ivy Trader in the building. That's my name. Just need some loyalty. Someone type congratulations. Hassan, I did not only base my entries and trading on the indicator, like I've explained my strategy. I also use the indicator to back it up, to back my strategy once in a while. I use them interchangeably or I use them hand in hand. Ah. Okay, I can see you guys have my names already there. Ivy the Trader, DJ Ivy. Yeah. Samuel, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Silver, good to see you. Much love from here. My strategy, guys, is pure price action. So whenever you see me executing, you should know that that's what I'm using. I base on the confluences to do that. Pure price confluences to execute. No need to pretend.
She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first. She got a little bit of drum with first, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drum with first. Top little dream and riding in the bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool with first. Summer city with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights on your outfits. All party team turn up with your mates. Arguments all day with your brands.
The high school girl.
Don't matter how you play against the fuck niggas.
But you don't trust niggas, no. But you don't trust niggas, no.
Yeah.
But they still trust you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do,
Anything you do,
everything's for you. Everyone is for you.
take that L you lose. Take that L you lose.
Guys, I'm very, very okay. Tell me, how are you doing? Beautiful as usual. I mean, why not? Thank you. Thank you. Let us lock in and look for another entry.
Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You give your body to me, I body that like a savage. Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit for granted, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more.
Okay, structure is bullish.
Wonder what they in.
So let us see how this goes.
Look how good you treated him.
Never needed him, but we still need you.
They still fuck with
These are the sweetest trades you can really take as a trader and you feel good. When you execute a trade and immediately goes in your direction,
Take that L you lose.
it is always sweet. Sweet, sweet moves.
She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first, yeah.
Let us see if we can get any entry here. And guys, you know how we do with this trend is bullish, and we are only just following it because why not? Okay, someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations, Mr. Funker. Good to have you, Emmanuel. Just jokes reacts. Okay, okay. Trevor, how are you? How are you, Emmy? Okay, let's see. Let's move to our next. How you want me when you got a girl? And it's reckless, knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting on it and falling all over love. Like do it till it's last, hanging up the back, all of you last. Like is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as she keep my 10, 30, no nigga 10, drop them drugs, be with la la. Your man is your man is your man, hers is her man too. My man is your man, hers is her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the week. Guys, someone is saying we should play sad music and emotional music. What do you mean? What do you mean? Trading is already risky. Why should we play with our emotions already? I mean, what if we start playing sad music and we get so emotional and cry over an L? We have to play music that is giving us vibes. All right, let us see. Oh my, let us see how this sells closer. My man is your man, hurt is her man too. My man is your man, hurt that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Okay, let us go to our second attempt. Let me send him my way. The blue indicator is Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings. No, I do not only trade Brent oil. Every now and then we keep switching. Yeah, we check out other assets. I trade an asset that I feel like it is really moving and could give me some moves. I do not just lock in on only one asset. I mean, if it's not moving, should I just close the trading day? No, I can just switch to another asset and continue with my trading session. Please, I don't wanna.
I hope you learn to make it on your own.
And if you love yourself, then you'll never be alone.
I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls that's pretty at everything. $1,000,000 cribs, having $1,000,000 dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing.
One man could change the world.
And one man could change the world.
All right, we get some direction into. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations.
That's what it's all making no sense. I'm talking dreaming so awesome that's about like draft day. You know, my stepbrother used to flip them bags outside the crib like it was trash day. No Kim K, but he back, yeah. But when you get it fast, money slow down, don't crash. With all the drive in the world, so you still.
Someone type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants.
The stars and be like, ain't too much that's different. I be shining, they be shining. Get you one shot, don't you miss it. What you know about waking up every day like you on a mission? And I hope
you learn to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, then you'll never be alone.
I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose.
I hope it's you really stay that you ever know.
Hope you get the pretty girls, pretty and everything. $1,000,000 cribs, have $1,000,000 dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing. One man could change the world. One man could change the world.
I wish to meet you, Ivy, someday. Definitely one day like this. I don't know. And you never get to know who you cross paths with. So maybe one day.
Only one I know got rich wearing masks. Where I'm from, I swear they broke. They need way more than the cash. We need more than what you have, and then we need more than that. But how I'm supposed to say I'm tired? If that girl from West Virginia came up in conditions that I couldn't survive. When the war came back alive, on top of that became a female black captain. When being black, you had the extra try. Way before James Brown made us cry. She bought a crib on the same street as Marvin Gaye, right there on how to drive. And she taught me how to drive. And she raised the kids, then the kids' kids, and she did it right. Taught me how to love, taught me not to cry. When I die, I hope you teach me how to fly. All my life you've been that angel in the sky. Saying I hope you learn to make it on your own.
And if you love yourself, then you'll never be alone.
Hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope this is the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls, it's pretty and everything. $1,000,000 cribs, have $1,000,000.
We're really having some good movement here. Structure is bullish. So let us see how this pullback is going to go.
In the world.
Okay, sellers are going in hard. Let's see.
Thank you for calling me. Been thinking about you. That's all good. I love you, Grandma. Bye.
All right, we're having movement in our direction. Let us see our second attempt. Much love from here, guys. Like I always tell you, much love from here. We need... Of course. I don't need security. Guys, you're my security. You'll be my security.
Found you when your heart was broke. I felt you coming till it overflowed.
We're already having some. Oh my god. We get taken out by a pullback. And it immediately goes in our direction. Damn. Sorry about that, guys. Next time better. Next time better. We really have no control over the market, but sorry, it's crazy. Sorry, it's crazy. So, guys, congratulations to all our winners for tonight. Congratulations to all our winners for tonight. And next time better for all those whereby we took L's. Next time better. It's always good to have you all, guys. If you want to take part in the donations tomorrow, there's a donation link in the description. There's a Telegram link in the description also for my Telegram channel and reaching out to me. The broker I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. If you want a cool bot for trading, the Skynet link in the description. You can reach out to Skynet support team and you get a cool bot for trading. We catch up again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Much love from me, guys. I love you all. Good night. See you all again tomorrow. Much love from me.